Hello, good evening from London. Good morning if you're super early morning. If you're in Hawaii, might be good morning, and good morning for tomorrow. Super early morning, Zealand. Ooh, and it's time to be live, and I'm not quite sure what to do because there's somebody at the door.
Hello,
and there's nobody else here. So I might have to just dash off and rescue the person at the door. Not sure what to do. I'm just going to continue with this because I've started, so I'll finish. And so what we're doing tomorrow is probabilities. It's called Two Aces. So what you're going to need is cards, playing cards. We actually only need specific cards out of the deck for aces, among other things, and the instructions are in the resource pack. If you have an early years or a special educational needs person, you want 5 objects that that person finds engaging. This wants to be individually tailored to that individual. So I've got 5 different things here that Leon, that I live with here, he would like these 5 things. So 5 things if you're early years, cards if you are the cards are going to be used throughout, and then the other possibility is either color or have different colored paper, because we're going to cut out different colored paper to do the activity. And so playing cards, scissors, and different colored paper, or if you've got some card, anything like that, you can have coloring pens and you can color in plain paper yourself as well. And let me just show you the activity. So I'm just going to share the screen and hope I can find the activity. Yes. So this is what we're going to be doing. So that's what you want: 4 aces, a queen of spades and a jack of hearts. And then, or alternatively, 4 red cards, a jack and a queen, and just use different colors. Now these activities are activities suitable for all the years from age 4 to 18 and all the ages in between. And the only thing you'll need to, well, and a pen and a paper as well, that will be helpful so that you can keep track. Those are examples of the 5 different items you would use for the early years. And then the other, that for lower primary, we'll be looking at perhaps having, instead of, you could have the cards, or you could have different colors of the rainbow. And then for upper primary, we're going to add, we've got up to 6 combinations, and then we're going to add the indigo onto that. And so that's preparation for the activity tomorrow. I'm just making sure there isn't anything I've forgotten. What we will be doing, no solutions for you. What we'll be doing, the activity is in the description above, the link to it, and the learning objectives are one of the big things in all of these activities that are complements of AIMSEC on their Aiming High website. They all involve practice in reading comprehension. And there's a particularly tricky question in this one. And so it's interpreting the information given and comprehension, and then we count the number of possibilities and then use the information to work out the probability. So being super systematic and develop problem solving skills. And it's again repeating, interpreting information, applying mathematical reasoning and solving problems. So that's what we're going to be doing in the morning. That wasn't very complicated. If you are enjoying these activities, please do share these lives and share the group. And in addition to the group, we are on YouTube. So there's 2, if you're on YouTube, please subscribe. We've got the Bubbly Maths YouTube channel where all these lives are going, and also the Maths Toys YouTube channel, where the objective is that every activity on the Aiming High website will eventually have a video on the YouTube channel to help both the teachers and home learning activities. We're working on getting every activity, it's a big task, as many as possible activities on the Aiming High website to be home learning activities and inclusion activities, in addition to being activities that teachers can use for specific age groups. So every time we have the inclusion and home learning, you will have activities all the way from age 4, early years, to age 18. And of course, that includes special educational needs. And what did I want to say about the Aiming High website? It's, yes, all the activities are low threshold, high ceiling, which means that learners at any level can come in, especially the home learning guide, can come in all the way from age 4 to age 18 and above, and take on the activities and grow with them. So if you can, whatever level you start at, you can take on and just be stretched a little bit and end up having a little bit more confidence or knowledge or understanding of the activity that you're doing, and you can come in at all different levels. One thing that's quite good to do is start, if everybody starts at the lower level and just works their way up, and then you just stretch, and that's where the grown-ups or the older siblings can come in, stretch a little bit, help stretch just a little bit more, and then let it go. And if ever someone is not enjoying it or is becoming in any way upset, just absolutely walk away and come back to it another day. And it's all about enjoyment. That is what the objective is. That's why these activities are purposely made to be enjoyable. So that's it for this evening. Thank you very much for joining us, and we'll see you tomorrow morning at 9 for the 7 to 18-year-olds, at 10, this is London time, 10 for early years, and tomorrow evening we'll be I'll be presenting the Wednesday activity. The Wednesday activity will be using our paper sticks, our famous paper sticks. So I'll be putting the video on, and I'll hopefully remember to review how to make those paper sticks tomorrow at the end of each activity. Thank you very much. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful evening, morning, afternoon. Take care.